For today's video, we've got this large TV. This is a Westinghouse 37-inch TV, model number VR-3710, and this is not going to be a repair video, even though the TV does have problems. This is just going to be a teardown video to have a look at the inside. And the reason why it's not going to be a repair video is because I already know what's wrong with it. So if I turn the TV on here, it'll come on, it'll turn on, and boom, that's the problem. If you ever see this on your TV, that means there was a physical impact on the screen and the glass in front is broken, and there is basically no way to repair this. The parts necessary to repair this cost more than buying a brand new TV. So if you ever see this, it means you're buying a new TV. So we're not going to try and repair it. We're just going to tear it apart, look at the inside. Did Westinghouse use quality components? Is it built well? We'll find out. Disassembling the TV is very straightforward, actually easier than a lot of TVs. There were 6 screws holding the stand on here. And there were 3 screws right up the side here by the connectors. And then you just go around the outside edge, and there were screws all the way around, not even that many, holding it on. And once you take all those out, you can lift up on the back panel. Interesting to note, if you look on the inside of the TV here, for the wall mounted brackets, you basically just have little metal studs that attach to the plastic. So really, when you wall mount this TV, the bulk of the weight is being distributed via the plastic shell, and there is no internal structure in the TV really. Now this has to be one of the simplest TV designs I have ever seen. I've seen 15-inch computer monitors that have more circuitry in them than this 37-inch TV. I mean, what you're looking at, this is everything here. You've got a power board that's pretty small, and then this is the smallest logic processing board I've ever seen. And then this is basically it. I mean, you got so your power comes in here. They have a master power switch here, which is actually nice. I like it when TVs have that. Power comes over into the power board. You got the inverter for the backlights here, and then you've got 2 cables that run out, and one of them comes down. It actually goes into the frame and comes up over here underneath and goes to this side of the backlight, and then over here the other wire plugs into the backlight there, and so that's the entire backlighting circuitry all there. And then over here, so all of the video inputs along the edge here just go straight into this board. Apparently there's one chip here with the heatsink on it that does all the processing. Tiny little RF can there for decoding the antenna signal. And then this one cable right here carries the video signal up to, there's a tiny board underneath the shield here which they call the T-Con board. I think that's timing controller board, and from there it's fed little ribbon cables up over the top into the glass screen itself, and that's what produces the image on screen. So there's not a whole lot in here to go wrong, but I will say this, I've gone through looking, and on the power board all of the capacitors are Capzon brand, which is known to be a bad brand, and everything over on the video processing board over here is just a generic no-name. So they didn't use high quality components, but still, if you had a TV like this and it broke, it would be very easy to repair if the problem were something on the circuit board. Very easy to fix that. So you can't make it out from this angle, but right here, that's the end of display, and underneath here it says LG display. So the panel on this TV was manufactured by LG, and I doubt Westinghouse played any role in this TV. So the panel, which is this big metal part here, this is all the panel, and that came from LG. And then whoever manufactured this for Westinghouse basically added this board, and then designed the plastic shell around it. And then LG put their logo on it and sold it at a very cheap price. Got a couple of tiny little speakers here, but yeah, I'm just in awe at how simple the inside of this TV is. Well, that teardown went a lot quicker than I was expecting, mainly because there's nothing in this thing. So, I don't know, it's kind of a shame that what was broken on the TV was the screen itself, which can't be repaired, because this would be a very repairable TV if something were broken on the circuit board, say bad capacitors or whatever. So if you have a similar TV and it's got problems and other than a broken screen, definitely take it apart looking back there, because there's not a lot to it. It should be easy to repair. And I guess the takeaway from this is don't assume that just because something is big that it's complex inside. It can be very simple. You never know till you take it apart. Thanks for watching.